How to see memories on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and then make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, what you simply need to do is you just have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. As you do that, it will lead you to the profile of yours. Then all you have to do is tap on the three hamburger icons over here at the top right corner. Then here you can see the option of archive. So tap on archive, and as you do that, you'll be able to see all the posts that you have done before. You can select on the stories archive over here at the top, or you can select on the posts archive. So this way you'll be able to see the memories on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.